Hey everyone, Sam here from Original Garage Moto. Today, we're diving into our full lineup of OG Triple Trees options for 2020 and up Softail, Lowrider S and ST models. Our OG Top Triple Tree and Full Triple Trees kit for the Softail, Lowrider S and ST models let you position your riser exactly where you want them with 3 adjustable mounting locations. This gives you optimal bar placement and allows you to fine-tune your riding position for both comfort and controls. We offer a top tree, drop tree, and full top and bottom kits, available in both stock and drop stance options. We also offer a lower triple tree kit for riders who already have our OG top trees and are ready to upgrade to our full front end setup. Our 1-inch drop triple trees allow you to lower your front fork by up to 1 inch, effectively raising your overall bike height and improving ground clearances. Ideal for aggressive riders who push their bikes hard in corners. This setup is a great option for those chasing a more performance-oriented stance, especially when paired with longer 13.5 or 14 inches rear shocks. It's also a smart alternative to modifying your fork internals or extending your fork cartridges, keeping installation simple. Fully CNC machined from solid billet aluminum, these 3 will improve rigidity for a more precise front end feel. Our top and bottom triple trees kit and lower triple trees kit includes a nickel-plated chromoly machine stem, billet stem cap, and ARP stem cap hardware for easy installation and a premium fit and finish. Our 3 include a reversible risers mounting block for 3 risers position. Stock 2 inches of pullback and 1 inch of pullback. They use OEM style bushings, allowing you to use your preferred polyurethane or solid bushings. They also include wire management clamps so you can route your cables properly. All our kits are available in our 8 anodized color and 3 chrome finishes. Our kits will fit all 2020 to present Softail, Lowrider S and ST models equipped with an inverted front end. These trees will not fit the stock Softail Lowrider S stock headlight fairing, but they are compatible with our Softail Lowrider S T-Sport fairing kit using our T-Sport fairing specific mounting kit sold separately. Alright guys, for any question about our OG Triple Trees lineup, feel free to contact us by phone or email. Our team is here to support you. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.